What up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy All Aspects Andres, and today is a very special day for the RX7 FC. I know it's been a while since we've had an update of the car. It's been a minute, a few weeks, but the car is finally finished. We're here to pick it up and I am so stoked to see how it comes out. I haven't seen it finished personally. I've seen a few pictures and whatnot, but I haven't seen it in person with the kit on it, with the paint, so I'm super excited right now. I don't even want to look over there because it's gonna reveal the secret, but stay tuned. We're about to see the final color of the car. Stay tuned because we're about to see the final color of the car and how it looks with the kit on it. So, ooh, let's get it. Check it out, check it out. It looks good. How's it going? Woo! Damn. Color looks so good.
Yeah, once the color's under and buff, it's gonna change a lot.
Yeah.
We can put all the gaskets on everything for the white body.
Oh, okay.
But we can't do that until it's buff because then you have to remove it and it goes with double-sided tape on the edges.
Okay.
You see the rubbers that go on
Yeah, on the kit.
So we have the row here. Oh, it's right here then.
Oh, okay. So that'll be after we sand it?
Buff, and then it goes right here in between.
Okay.
But until it's buff.
Yeah, we're gonna wait on that too, cause until we put everything in.
Yeah, because it's gonna get scratched here and there.
Yeah.
So we can just do spots. There's 2 spots I have to do. I'll show you right now.
Sick, dude. Woo! Damn. Came out so good.
The guys scratched it here. They were moving one of the parts and they scratched it a little, so we had to do this spot. But I figured when you bring it back, we'll spot this and then right here the paper.
Okay.
And then mask it. It's just clear. It comes off with the color sand.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, but once we color sand it and buff it, we'll fix whatever extra scratches you guys bring it with.
Alright, no, that sounds good. It'll work out.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah, there's no doubt. Yeah. Damn, they already got the new Corvette 2020. Sick ass orange over here. They're already starting to take it apart. Do some molds for some new pieces, aftermarket pieces. But damn, this thing looks clean. Alright guys, pushing out the FC right now. Gonna get it on the tow truck. Fools are putting in work right here. Check it out. Yeah. Putting in work.
Waiting, bro. Shit, Roxy's gonna come out here.
Boy.
Bring it back here for the final touches. In terms of time, like
Yeah, it's so much time, dude.
I don't have the time, you know what I mean, with the Corvette and all the other shit I do. So I wanted to get one running to where all I gotta do is the body work. It doesn't.
Sheesh. You need to get those tail lights though.
Yeah. I'm telling you, once you put together, this shit's gonna cost.
Oh yeah, that one you load up 1350V.
Fucking find whatever's missing, we'll look for it. It's gonna all be there.
Yeah. Woo! You're good, you're good. She looks so good. Alright guys, we made it to the valley. Things have been going pretty smooth. Angel's been killing it with the tow. She looks so mean. Check it out, check it out. Ooh. Honestly, it looks so wide. It looks sick. Let's try to get a closer view. shit. It looks super funky with the stock wheels, but that shit looks so good. Super stoked. Woo. What up?
That guy's like, is that a Supra?
Who?
That guy's like,
It's RX7.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
You put fenders in there?
Yeah.
No way, really? Oh, fuck. How you
Weirdo over there. Once he saw the camera, he wasn't feeling it. Woo. That shit looks sick. Alright guys, made it back to the warehouse. Car is safe and sound. Angelitos. Yeah. Woo. Crushed it. Yo. Making room.
Congrats, brother.
Thank you.
Trying to like clear some space right now.
Looks good. Yeah, it should be perfect right there. It's not
Bunny is here.
yeah, it's not finished though.
Far left.
I feel like they didn't color sand it and buff it, so there are some like imperfections. I gotta show the fam. So they didn't finish color sanding it and buffing it because, you know, we're gonna do a lot of engine work. We still gotta put it together. So in case we scratch anything or ruin anything, some minor imperfections they can still get out when they color sand it, because the clear is really heavy right now. So it's just straight out the paint through. So once we get the engine in, we do all the hard work, the stuff that could potentially damage it, then we're gonna take it back to slick and they're gonna color sand it and buff everything out, polish it up, and that's when you're gonna really get that mirror-like finish in the paint. So there's little things that they're gonna get out later, like this drip right here, this right here. So it's not 100% yet. They still got some touching up to do, but once we finish up, we'll take it back and then they'll finish it up. But yeah, your boy over here killed it.
Hey, what's up?
Damn. This shit's bagged?
Yeah, it's back.
Bagged. Trailer's bagged, guys. Get on that level.
Or hit me up if you don't have anywhere to store a trailer. You need a tow. You need a pronto.
Here you go. Angelitos. Click the link in the bio. This man does great work right here. Look at that. And if your car is super low, this shit's so ideal for it. Whew. Damn. You clean the fucking glass out. It's just looking dusty. Turbo 2 mirrors came out sick. You just need to lower this bitch. Alright guys, so we got the FC in its home for the meantime. Nice and safe and sound. Check it out. Looks good in here. This is fucking sick. It's gonna be right next to the Evo finally.
Yo, paint color looks so good. Honestly, it looks way better in person than it looks in pictures for sure. So
It's
much
pretty
better.
sick.
The inside looks so clean too. Man.
Damn. Look at that.
Yeah, that is next level.
She looks beast.
It looks so nice.
That sound deadening removal really made a huge difference.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I forgot a razor blade in here.
Woo.
Yeah,
So
it's coming
good.
along. Better than you expected.
Yeah, it looks so good, honestly.
And it still needs to get color sanded and buffed. There's still some imperfections everywhere, but it'll get there.
That's how it goes, right? It's a
Yeah.
long process, but this is a major part of the process done. The body kit looks so good, honestly. Makes it
Yeah.
look so aggressive, so mean.
It just sucks that the wheels are so fucking skinny. Well, fuck it.
For
I'm
now.
gonna put these bad boys on soon.
Oh, you can't be showing us.
Cut it, Josh, cut it.
Don't show that clip.
Don't show that clip.
Don't show that clip.
But yeah, the guys over at Slick Carbon knew that we were gonna be doing more work to it, dropping the engine, working on the interior. So they decided not to finish it 100% with the color sand, the buffing out, and all that they usually do after a full paint job. So it was nice of them to think about that and to keep that into consideration, so that in case we scratch anything, little imperfections, they can still get it out and they can still buff it out and make it look fresh. So it's better like this, that it's not perfect yet, because you know we will be getting some scratches on it and whatnot. And they'll also be putting in the rubber gasket, or like the grommet that goes, they usually see on the wide body kits. So they'll be adding that after they color sand it and buff it. When we take it back, they'll be finishing it all up. But yeah, guys, super excited that it's home. We're gonna be working on here a little bit before we take it to John's to get it up and running and do the turbo kit. But yeah, stay tuned as we make more videos on us installing the engine, the transmission, little things in the interior. It's gonna look dope. It's a long process, still have a long way to go, so we'll be keeping up the content for sure. Stay tuned, much love, thanks for watching, peace.